guys, how are you? Andy Suku, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions, consumer credit expert. First off, Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I hope that 2025 is your year and it's your biggest year ever. So now let's get into it. Like I said, we have a lot of great topics coming your way this year. Actually, this is my list, if you can see it. It's like 46 topics. If you can read my gibberish and my chicken scratch. Sorry, I'm under the weather a little bit still. So let's get into it. Oh, by the way, if you haven't done so by now, click the link in the bio and subscribe to our YouTube channel. A lot of the questions you guys are asking me, I've done videos previously on it already. That's on our channel that you can take a look at. Some of the videos I did an updated video, but there's about 12 or 13 years worth of content on our YouTube channel, and we're going to continue adding this year. Like I said, we have 40 something topics on this list already. So let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about buying a home and put it in the LLC. And the reason why we're talking about buying a home and putting it in the LLC is because it can get you into a lot of trouble with the mortgage company, which is what one of our clients are facing right now. So, you know, if you want to purchase a home in an LLC, obviously, you may not know, but I'll let you know that you have to find a boutique bank that will take the risk on that loan, right? Buying a home in an LLC is much more riskier than buying a home in someone's name, because in an LLC, if you bankrupt the LLC, there goes the home as well, right? And the bank is going to be on the losing end. So traditional banks like Chase, Citi, TD Bank don't do mortgages like that. You can find a mortgage broker like FM Mortgage, our bank, Homebridge Financial, Signature Bank. There's a bunch of mortgage brokers out there that may or may not do a mortgage in a business. However, if you do find a bank that does it, they're actually not the one actually doing the mortgage. They're brokering it to a boutique bank. Now, the reason why they're brokering it to a boutique bank, because these boutique banks are smaller banks, and they're able to take the risk on doing these mortgages, right? Keep in mind, the criteria and the requirements are a little more strenuous. For example, you have to put 35% down, the interest rates are higher, and so forth. Now, obviously, if you're looking to do that and you go down that path, you'll find out the requirements, right? But for argument's sake, for this topic, let's talk about buying a home in your name and then transferring the deed to an LLC. Now, there's a lot of miscommunication on social media about this, and a lot of people are telling you wrong information. I personally heard it myself, and I can name 5 mortgage broker guys that are telling you these false information. I'm not going to name them, but I've heard it myself. So when you purchase a home in your name and you decide to go put it in an LLC, that's problem number 1, because you didn't close in an LLC, you closed in your name. A lot of people are putting homes in LLC for write-offs. But the thing is, a lot of people are putting homes, a one-family home in an LLC, which is mind-boggling, because what is that you're trying to gain? What write-offs are you really trying to gain? If you had a multifamily, I understand that. So when you buy a home and you close in your name, and you 10 days later, 20 days later, 30 days later, you open an LLC and you transfer the deed to LLC, if the mortgage company ever finds out, they have the right, the mortgage company has the right to retract that loan and take the property, because you did not close in an LLC. And if you read the HUD, which most people don't read the HUD when they're signing, because it's like this much documents, it states that in there. Now, let's say you have a home, you put in an LLC, but the insurance is in your name, and something happens in your home, and you need to file a claim with the insurance company. That's where the problem begins, because the insurance company could deny the claim, which brings me to why I'm doing this video, because that's the situation one of our clients in right now. They bought a one-family home, Connecticut. They bought it in Connecticut, bought it in their name, closed in the name. 30 days later, they transferred the deed to LLC. Now, they were making payments on time, so the banks was never like red flagged about it. But what happened, something happened in the home where the claim was so big that they needed to call the insurance company. The insurance company denied the claim because the insurance in the first name and the home was in a deed, in an LLC, sorry, in an LLC. Now, we all know these days insurance companies will find any reason to deny any claim, right? Whether it be car, homeowners, motorcycle, boat, whatever it is. If they could find any way to get out of a claim, they will. So happened, so said, so done. It happened to this client. Now, the insurance company notified the mortgage company that they're not paying the claim. The mortgage company got wind that the home is in a LLC, but it was closed in the consumer's name. Now the client's in a whole heap of problems because listening to these gurus and trying to become business owners. And I don't know what it is that goes through these clients' head, but now they're in the process of losing their home. And we don't even know if we can help this client. The client's in our office. We're speaking to our attorneys, see what we can do. But it's been going on for so long, we don't even know if we can help this client. Unless they get someone to buy the home from them and then later on buy it back or something like that, right? Like kind of a short sale process. Not really a short sale process, but something along that lines. So the point of this video, guys, is be careful where you're getting your information from. Be careful when you're putting a home in an LLC. It's not as fun and pretty as what people say on social media. And if you make one mistake, you can get yourself in a lot of problems. If you have any questions, comments about this video, drop it below, and I'll try to answer for you guys. Talk to you soon. See you on the next one.